In the previous episode, I prepared a menu inspired by my Cappadocia Nevşehir trip, making vegetable meat güveç with the pot I bought from a district famous with earthenware products. We brought lots of grapes from our vineyards, so I cooked fresh grape juice and wanted to make a dessert with it. This is how I got the cheesecake with grape sauce invented. Let's make it. I have about half a kilogram red grapes. Are still good but separated from the stems or not in their best shape. I boiled it for about 20 minutes and then mash it with a potato masher and drained until I get all the juices. Before I turn it into a sauce, I'm gonna make my individual cheesecakes. I'm melting about 1 tablespoon butter and going to saute 3 tablespoons of oats, adding some chopped hazelnuts, about 2 tablespoons. It will give more crunchiness and taste. And to enhance the flavor more, I added 1 teaspoon molasses. It is optional. You can simply make it with regular cheesecake base. But normally I add a burçak bisküvi, which is closest we can get in Turkey to graham cracker. Since I didn't have that one, I used regular biscuits along with the oats that I toasted. To bind my base more, instead of butter, I drizzled a bit more molasses and it is ready. I found that it is very easy and quick to cook individual cheesecakes on stovetop. I have 8 ramekins, placed cupcake papers and distributed the crumbs evenly. I'm gonna do my cheesecake filling in the food processor. I have 2 heaped tablespoons cream cheese at room temperature, added little less than half cup granulated sugar and mixed it well. And to this I'm adding 2 tablespoons yogurt, 2 eggs at room temperature, and vanilla pods that I got as a gift from my follower Grape from Australia. And as a final ingredient, I added 1 heaped tablespoon cornstarch or wheat starch, doesn't matter. Give it a mix one more time and my filling is ready. Before pouring the filling, we need to press down the base. I used my measurement cup and then pour the filling evenly. We are going to cook our cheesecakes on a stove top in a steam. Just simply add until the 1/4 of the ramekins are filled. Close the lid, let it boil, and after it is boiled, lower the heat to candlelight, very low, and let it steam for about 12 to 15 minutes. Depending on the size of the ramekins, the time might change. Immediately take it out from the water bed to stop cooking and take out from the ramekins and cool completely. In a small saucepan, I added 1 cup fresh grape juice I made and 1 heaped tablespoon cornstarch. Give it a nice stir and continue to cook, simmering on low until it is bubbly. In total, I used 1 plus 1/4 of a cup grape juice. I didn't add any granulated sugar since the grapes and the grape juice was already sweet. We are looking for a thick sauce that can hold its shape but still pourable. If it's too thick, you can always add more juice. And after this point, just turn off the heat and add about half a teaspoon butter, and our sauce is ready. To decorate my cheesecakes, I'm just cutting a small parts from the stems and keep them ready to use. My cheesecake is cooled down completely, and also the sauce is a little bit warm still because we want it to still pourable. If it cools down completely in the fridge, it can be break apart and you cannot pour it. So make sure to use over the cheesecakes while it is still warm. Of course, you can experiment it with other fruit juices or ready grape juice. It was really delicious. Give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. And please don't forget to give your comments and likes to support the channel. And see you in the upcoming episodes.